Did you know that more than 1 lakh Indian people every year stand in a queue just to buy one single car? And that is, my friend, Fortuner. It's not a car, bhai. It's a movement. From the corporate tycoons to village landlords, from officers to influencers, everybody is trying to hop to buy a Fortuner. And that's why the Fortuner doesn't ask for attention, it deserves it. And that leaves us with one main question, that why, after so many years, do Indian people still love Fortuner till this extent that the Fortuner price has gone up to 60 lakh rupees now? And with that, in today's video, we are gonna break down the 5 main big reasons why Fortuner is just not a car but a culture itself. For the purpose of this video, we have divided into 5 subsections: status, strength, space, style, and that sweet Toyota reliability that comes with every Toyota car. It's stated for a fact that you don't drive a Fortuner, you arrive in one. Be it Indian weddings, be it complex malls, or be it work, you just don't drive Fortuner, you arrive with that status symbol. And you know it that this car makes more noise than the Dholwala himself. Okay, that's a separate thing. But what about the perception that Fortuner really holds up its value real good? Well, for that, let's compare it to the closest contender that Fortuner ever had, Ford Endeavour, before it left the Indian market. After 3 years of usage, Ford Endeavour retained about 60% of its original value, while comparing it to the same Fortuner, it retained around 75% of its value, which is very much economical and better than Ford. The Fortuner is not just about shining LED and chrome. It's about the brute force power that it offers, and with that comes under the hood a 2.8 liter diesel engine which powers around 500 Newton meters of torque, which is just a truck level muscle. Combine that with Toyota level engineering, which is known for 15 years of reliability and leadership. The chassis, as we all know about, is a tough ladder on frame chassis, and combine that with a smooth as ghee transmission, and you get a monster that is still running smoothly since 2010 and keeping strong highway speeds along with comfort and rideability performance offered like nothing ever before. Well, with the low range 4x4 gearbox, a rear differential lock, and a high ground clearance, make sure that the Fortuner drives like nothing on off roads, and make sure that the so called adventurous SUVs go obsolete. So, whether you want to pull a trailer or you want to take your family to a Manali trip, it can almost go to any adventure unstoppable and even with capabilities better than the premium segments SUVs which have to offer right now. Well, to put it straight, Fortuner is not just a car. It's your travel buddy, your mountain goat, and your babysitter all rolled in just one to make the perfect combination of a off-road car seen never before. Okay, we all have to agree on one point, that Fortuner looks very rugged from outside. Well, it may look rugged from outside, but it has full paisa vasool luxury to offer inside. From ventilated leather seats to a 8-inch infotainment display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capabilities, from a panoramic sunroof that is offered in Legenda variants to 7 airbags with hill assist control, this car has practically everything that you can ask for in practical life. And the newer variants even get ADAS with lane departure alert and collision prevention. I think Toyota is really catching up in tech, and with the reliability and practicality that it has to offer, it's robust. Well, why do I say so? It's because Fortuner owners ranging all over India have their own groups which do everything from desert rallies to basic chai meets. But at this point, you have to understand that Fortuner craze is all over the nation as of right now. Well, now it's time to address the elephant of the room, the resale value. Fortuners are known to uphold very good resale value up till the end of their life cycle. This is because Fortuners are always really high in demand in India, and Toyota also makes sure that their service centers pan India are really high quality and they do offer good services. So, while 70 to 75% of returns on the money that you paid might sound like a bit too much to you, but this is unheard in this segment, but is the real fact that Fortuner does it all with utmost convenience. Well, thank you so much to you guys for tuning in, and let's meet you guys in the next video. Till then, be safe. Bye bye.